Alright, what is good YouTube man? Today we're back at it again with another video. I'm Gymaholic and today we're gonna talk about the best bodyweight exercises that you can do. Alright, today we will talk about some upper body exercises, push-ups, pull-ups and dips, some lower body exercises, squats and lunges, and then some cardio which includes running and jump rope. And I'm also gonna put in some variations of all those movements. If you don't know, cardio actually helps you with gaining muscle, not losing it, you know. It's extremely important for the pump. And yeah, man, if you don't do your cardio, you're not gonna get a pump. Alright, push-ups. It works your chest, your triceps and your shoulders. Here's a video, or more like a GIF, that shows how to do it if you're not aware of how to do the movement. Some variations are diamond push-ups, wide grip push-ups, decline push-ups, and one arm push-ups. Those are probably one of the hardest ones, the one arm push-ups. And yeah, man, if you can't do normal push-ups, start off on your knees, man. No problem. You need to progress somehow, you know. Better start off light than going in with the hardest one, you know. Alright, pull-ups. It works the back, the biceps and the forearms. Another video that shows it. Some variations include wide grip pull-ups, close grip pull-ups, L-sit pull-ups, which are if you put your feet in front and then do your pull-ups, and chin-ups, which is just reversing your hands, you know. So yeah, let's go with dips. Another video as always. It works your chest, your triceps and your shoulders. Some variations include ring dips, weighted dips, incline dips, and tricep or chest dips. You can change the movement to make it more chest dominant or more triceps dominant. And you can also do weighted pull-ups. Of course, I forgot about writing it. Let's go with squats. It works the quads, the hip flexors and your booty. Variations include sumo squats, Bulgarian split squats, single leg squats and jump squats. And yeah, man, lunges. It works your quads, your hip flexors and your booty again. Some variations include walking lunges, reverse lunges, which is just stepping backwards instead of forwards, side lunges, as the name says, stepping to the side, or jumping lunges, which is just jumping with it. Alright, let's go for cardio. We got running. It works your heart, your quads, your hams and your calves, and it even works your core and other muscles like that. Some variations include sprint intervals, hill sprints, and HIIT, which is high intensity interval training, which just means you will work explosively for about 20 seconds and then rest for 40 seconds, or do a lighter movement. I will do a video about HIIT because it's a very important training style, you know, if you're trying to lose weight and don't have any time. And then lastly, man, we got jump rope. It works your calves, your heart, your core, and yeah, man, variations, single jumps, high knees and alternate foot jumps. And yeah, obviously, as you can see, man, those are just the basic workouts that you can do at home. If you got a pull-up bar, you can use that, you know, for your pull-ups. If you have a dip bar, even you can use for dips. And yeah, man, other than that, the rest is just bodyweight movements that you can do anywhere. Even if you got a jump rope, you know. Jump rope is like $5. Alright, man, that's it, man. You already know what to do. Like and subscribe. It helps me out. Comment questions, what other videos you want me to do. And yeah, man, that's all. See ya.